Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Pepes Ikan, a classic Indonesian dish wrapped in banana leaves, bursting with flavors and rich history. Here are facts you probably didn't know about this delicious delicacy. Pepes Ikan originated in West Java, Indonesia, where Sundanese cuisine is known for its simplicity and focus on fresh ingredients. The word, Pepes, is derived from the Sundanese term, Pepes, which means cooking something in banana leaves. Pepes Ikan is a cooking technique, not a specific recipe. You can find pepes made with fish, chicken, tofu, and even vegetables. This method of wrapping and steaming in banana leaves has been used for centuries in Indonesia, preserving moisture and enhancing the natural flavors. The most common fish used in Pepes Ikan is mackerel, but locals also use carp, tilapia, and even catfish. Pepes Ikan is sometimes grilled after steaming, giving the fish a slightly smoky flavor. Banana leaves act as a natural packaging, locking in heat and spices, which makes the fish tender and aromatic. Banana leaves aren't just for flavor. They also have antibacterial properties that help keep food fresh. Each island in Indonesia has its unique Pepes Ikan recipe, balancing spices, flavors, and preparation techniques. Traditionally, Pepes Ikan is made with a mortar and pestle to grind spices, giving a coarser texture than a blender. The spice paste, called bumbu, usually includes turmeric, ginger, garlic, shallots, lemongrass, and chili. Some regions add kemangi, a type of local basil, to bring a fresh, earthy aroma to Pepes Ikan. Pepes Ikan is typically served with rice and a side of fresh sambal, enhancing the flavors even more. Many recipes include candle nuts, which give a rich, creamy texture to the spice paste. In certain parts of Sumatra, shredded young coconut is added, lending a slightly sweet and nutty flavor. Wrapping Pepes Ikan is a skill in itself. It must be tightly wrapped to keep the juices in, ensuring the fish remains moist. To seal the banana leaf, Indonesians use toothpicks or small bamboo sticks to secure the folds. Cooking in banana leaves also makes Pepes Ikan more eco-friendly as there's no need for aluminum foil or plastic. Pepes Ikan is sometimes cooked by burying it under hot coals, adding a charred flavor to the dish. In Bali, Pepes Ikan is also a ceremonial food, often offered in temple rituals as a token of gratitude. Freshness is key to Pepes Ikan. Many people use fish caught the same day to maintain the best flavor and texture. Unlike frying, this method preserves more nutrients, especially the essential omega-3 fatty acids in the fish. The banana leaf wrapping allows even small bones to soften, making them easier to eat safely. Pepes Ikan is one of the healthiest Indonesian dishes, thanks to its reliance on fresh ingredients and minimal oil. The flavor of Pepes Ikan changes based on the season. Different herbs and spices are used depending on what's available locally. The traditional way to eat Pepes Ikan is by hand, which is believed to enhance the taste experience. In Indonesia, eating fish in Pepes Ikan style is believed to bring good luck, especially during important gatherings. Pepes Ikan pairs well with a tamarind-based soup called sayur asem, adding a tangy balance to the rich flavors. This dish can be refrigerated and reheated for a couple of days without losing flavor, a rarity for fish dishes. Pepes Ikan is popular in local warungs, or small restaurants, making it accessible to people of all income levels. In Lombok, Pepes Ikan is spicier, often made with bird's eye chili for those who can handle the heat. The Balinese version sometimes includes grated coconut and tamarind paste, adding a sour, tropical twist. In Papua, freshwater fish like tilapia are used, as they are abundant in the island's rivers. There's even a Pepes Ikan variation with tofu for vegetarians, proving its versatility in Indonesian cuisine. The aroma of Pepes Ikan is so inviting that it's often used to attract customers to street food stalls. In some regions, Pepes Ikan is cooked with whole spices, allowing eaters to experience bursts of flavor as they eat. Pepes Ikan has inspired other dishes like Pepes Ayam, chicken, and Pepes Tempe, fermented soybeans. Banana leaves can be replaced with other leaves, like taro or teak, each lending its own unique flavor. Pepes Ikan is a communal dish, often prepared in big batches for family gatherings or festivals. Despite its popularity, each Pepes Ikan dish is unique, reflecting the cook's personal touch and local tradition. And there you have it. Unique facts about Pepes Ikan, the delicious Indonesian dish that brings flavor, history, and community together in every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which fact surprised you the most.